How easy is it to integrate libraries and ORMs in Flask? Imagine building a web application where connecting to a database feels like a breeze rather than a chore. That's what integrating libraries and object relational mappers in Flask can be like. Flask is a lightweight framework that doesn't include database handling by default. Instead, it relies on external libraries to do the heavy lifting. The most popular choice is Alchemy, a powerful ORM that helps you work with databases using Python classes and objects instead of raw SQL queries. This makes your code cleaner and easier to understand. To make integration smoother, Flask offers extensions like Flask Alchemy. This extension wraps Alchemy and handles configuration, connection setup, and model creation seamlessly. Setting it up is simple. You start by installing Flask and Flask Alchemy packages using pip, which is Python's package manager. Then, you create a Flask application instance and set your database connection string in the configuration. You can connect to databases like SQLite, PostgreSQL, or MySQL by just changing the connection string. After that, you initialize the Alchemy extension with your app. Now, defining your database models is straightforward. You create Python classes that inherit from Alchemy's base class, and each class represents a database table. From there, you can perform all database operations, creating, reading, updating, and deleting records using Python code. This process avoids writing raw SQL and keeps your backend code tidy. For example, setting up a SQLite database with Flask Alchemy involves just a few lines of code and configuration, making it accessible even for developers new to backend work. Besides Alchemy, Flask supports other libraries and ORMs, but Alchemy remains the most popular because of its flexibility and large community support. Using these tools accelerates API development, supports multiple database backends, and makes managing database schema changes easier with tools like Flask Migrate. Overall, integrating libraries and ORMs in Flask is designed to be simple and quick, fitting perfectly into the goal of making backend development easier to learn and implement. This way, developers can focus on building features and logic instead of wrestling with complex database setups.